I'm Kevin Surace, sometimes the janitor here, but also the CEO of the company.
Big learning we took from that is that people began to treat that machine like Mary.
If I had stood on this stage 20 years ago and said, right now, any or all of you can take my picture, literally share it with over 1 billion people in the world, you would throw me off the stage immediately.
So the iPhone launches, we'll take you through this launch, and I'm sure you're wondering, is anyone going to buy a phone from Apple? I mean,
People have become more concerned and more scared, like, oh, it's going to take over my job, it's going to do what I'm doing, it's going to... The critical thinking janitor just Googles, floor cleaning robot, finds some, and becomes the overlord of the robots.
The most valuable thing you have in your organization is your people. Tipping point isn't near, but it's actually here.
It's going to be a great conversation, and we're really, really, really going to have fun.
She says, I think life is pretty awesome. I think life is pretty awesome. And I think life is even more awesome because you're in ours. Thank you so much. So you're raising the level of what the people are doing and really tapping the intelligence of everyone in this room.
Mona Lisa.
Cannot disseminate any information that's even just a hint of possibly incorrect. Here's what matters. Choose a field that makes you inspired and makes you happy, because you will not inspire others unless you're inspired yourself.
It has over 5,000 five-star reviews on Amazon. So in 5 minutes or less,
I paid all those guys.
Yes, that's
Do you ever wake up, Vint, and go, I invented the internet? I mean, just like for a second, it's like, does it dawn on you it's the freaking internet?
Recently, in surveys of dogs, they like the robot better than the human.
What is your vision? If you looked out 10 or 20 years, what's your vision for where communications moves, and how does the FCC?
This is a whole new renaissance that we may be able to see actually in our lifetime.
The driverless vehicle, period, full stop, came out of that organization.
Everybody wins. Our customers win, your viewers win.
Finally comes back when the company is essentially bankrupt.
And that's why you don't want to be scared of this stuff. It's just new technology. It's fine. We're not scared of our smartphones anymore. I'm so happy to be here. This is an amazing crowd, and I've got about 5.5 hours of material to fit in 45 minutes.
So if I really wanted to be disruptive, I would have stood up in the meeting and said,
I literally saw John Chambers just 2 nights ago, and he talked at great length about this.
The U.S. government has done a very good job for arguably 100 years. Nobody cared about AI until a few months ago, and they started playing with ChatGPT. Right. But you've been on Tom Siebel's board 2009, maybe?
Right.
80% of the tasks that we do today will be automated by 2050.
If you look at what Amazon is actually doing well,
your job will not be replaced by artificial intelligence, but you could be replaced by other leaders that leverage artificial intelligence to do your job.
this is our possibly one chance that we will be free to do exactly the same thing. I, for one, can't wait, and I hope to see you all there.